Hey, this is Gabrielle Dixon from TeachingSpecialThinkers.com, and this is a product preview of my Wintertime Sentence Builders pack. I use this pack in my autism classroom. However, it would benefit any student in an early childhood or special needs classroom or even regular ed classroom where students are having difficulties creating full sentences and they need some help with coming up with words to use when writing. Go through the pack here. So there are a couple of different ways you can assemble this. I obviously have very varied levels in my class. So I have kind of like a very beginner level, and then you can get a little bit more advanced from there. And then I have a more advanced one for some of my students that are readers, and then some of my students that are readers and writers. There's some different options in this pack as well. So this is for level 1. This is for non-readers or, very basic readers. So the pictures are larger. And what I do is I organize the pieces on laminated construction pieces. And all of the terms are color-coded. So nouns are yellow, verbs are blue. Oh, I think I said that backwards. Verbs are yellow, nouns are pink, and all the other coordinating pieces. So this is an easy way for me to organize it. So when I'm doing the activity with my students, I use this, and I kind of break the sentence apart, as you can see. So right here, I might put the and is, and I might have the very this might be a kindergarten student, nonverbal. I might say, is this a girl or a boy? And they can tell me boy. And then I say, what is the boy doing? And I'm going to give them 2 or 3 options as well. Now, if I have a student that's a little bit more advanced, but I still want to use this format, I would just put more pictures here. And I might put a couple words here, a couple words here, and have them create the sentence on their own. So there's lots of different leveling you can do with this. And it's also kind of working on comprehension, those WH questions. What is this boy doing? So there's lots of different things you can use this pack for. Here is the level 2. This is for beginning readers. This is a binder setup. This picture is actually from our AU2 classroom in our school that uses this. They organize the pieces in a binder, and then this bottom strip is where they create the sentence. For students that are able to write, you can have them write out their sentence on a dry erase board or on a piece of paper, so they can work on handwriting as well. So here are all the different picture cards. Now these are just different clip art pictures of actions you would see in the winter, common winter items. What I would suggest is use these, and if your students get bored with these pictures, which there are a lot of them, so they might not, but you can also use real pictures. So Google image search, skiing, sled riding, and put them up on your Promethean board or a computer, an iPad, and have the students write about that. This pack really has a lot of options. So here's all the pictures included, and some of them are funny. My kids get a kick out of the cat and the dog, the girl falling. So go all the way down. And here are just some things that you can describe. The mitten is blue, the mitten is red. So there's some really basic things the students can write a sentence about. Okay, so here are the pieces that are included. They are color-coded. And once students start to get the hang of this, you can say, you need a noun, you need a yellow word. And they really pick it up quickly with the color cues. There's some templates, and then just some blanks for you to add on to. And then I also have these kind of booklets that the students can create. So if you have some students that are readers and writers, you could show them the picture here and have them use the pieces to create a sentence about each picture, write it down, and then once they're finished, this could be something they work on for a week. You can have them do a page a day, and then they have a book. So there's one for winter time. There's another book for ice skating. Snowball fight, and snow day. So just some fun little books they can create and kind of call their own. And then they got the credits. Thank you for viewing this product. If you have any questions, please ask them in the Q&A. Thank you.